Welcome to the complete WordPress developer course. In this lesson, we are going to install WordPress on our local computer. So to install WordPress, we need to power our MAMP server which we have downloaded in the last lecture. So go to Launchpad and go to MAMP and click on MAMP and it will appear. All you need to do is to start your server. So hit Start Servers and then it will open our browser, which in my case is Safari. It might be Google Chrome in your case. So it will open this page. You can also visit this page by going back into MAMP and opening Web Start page. So click on Web Start page and it will open the same page. Now listen to me very carefully. You need to note down this link, which is localhost column 8888. This is very important, as this is the main address of our local server and we will be using this throughout this course. And then remember all this information. Host name is localhost, port is 3306, username is root and password is root. We need this. And then open this phpMyAdmin in the new tab. Okay, don't close this tab, open this phpMyAdmin in the new tab. So click on open a new tab and go over there and go to database, because WordPress works on MySQL database, so we need to create a database first. So click on database name and type whatever you want. I am just going to type WordPress PRESS and hit create. This will create your database just right here. And now just go back to your desktop where we have downloaded our WordPress file. So double click on this, it will unzip this and it will give a result that is something just like this, and open it. And now go to your application folders and go to MAMP and then go to htdocs. This is the folder where all your files or your websites will be placed, or your WordPress websites will be placed just right here. And then all you need to do is to copy this WordPress folder. So just copy this and paste it on this htdocs folder. So paste in the htdocs folder. I'm going to paste it, and here we are. It is copying and pasting it. And then all you need to do is to remember the folder name, which in this case is WordPress. You can rename this, and remember we need this name to go to our WordPress website. So I'm going to rename it to show you. I'm going to name it My WordPress and hit enter. And now we will open our favorite web browser and we will open our WordPress website. So open your favorite web browser, which is in my case is Safari, and go to localhost 8888 and slash. Remember what was the name of our file? It was My WordPress. So type My WordPress after slash. So My WordPress and hit enter. And here we are. This is our WordPress installation page. So click on let's go. Let's go. Hey, come on, let's go. And now here you need to enter the name of your database. So go back to your phpMyAdmin, and what was the name of our database? It was WordPress. So I am going to enter the same exact name, which is WordPress. And then what was the name of your username of your database? So it was root. Remember, I have told you to remember this. This is root just right here. Copy and paste it. So I'm going to copy it and paste it just right here. Password. What was your password? Password was root. So enter root here and let's enter it and go back to this tab and copy the host name, which in this case is localhost. Copy this and paste it over here. So I'm going to paste it, and we don't need to change the table prefix. We don't need to touch this. So just click on submit and boom, voila, we are here. to run the installation of our WordPress. Run the install, and here you can enter the site title. So I'm going to enter learn LEARN WordPress, and my username will be admin, and my password will be super funny 12345 and confirm use of weak password. And here you can enter your email. So I'm going to enter a super random fake email, which is info@idon'tknow.com. I don't know. Let's leave it just as it is. And you don't remember, if you are installing WordPress on the live server or on the web server, you don't want to click this, because if you will click this, then Google will never be able to find you. So don't check this and hit install WordPress, and boom, we are here. So we can close this or we can log in from here, but I want to show you something else. So just close this and open a new tab and search for localhost slash folder, your folder name. So it was my WordPress, and then type wp-admin, ADMIN. I'm repeating it, type wp-admin and hit enter. And here we are. Here we can log in into our WordPress website. So what was our username? It was admin, and password, the super funky password, which was 1 2 3 4 and 5. So hit log in. I don't want to save this password, and here we are. In the next video, I am going to give you a tour of WordPress. You can just click on learn WordPress and visit site, and you will be able to visit your site, and voila, here we are. This is your very first WordPress website, and I will see you in the next